Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2023 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this one does come with just under 13,000 miles upon the clock, cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, heated seats, 5 leather seats as well, an electric driver's seat for positions, an automatic transmission, satellite navigation, cruise control, air conditioning, reversing cameras. This does indeed come with the works. Now I will just show you the back 3 seats as well. Now we do of course pull this bit down in the middle just here, acting as an armrest, and 2 cup holders and a small table here for the rear passengers. And just down here we do indeed find a 12 volt along with the other 2 12 volts down there, and also an AC 150 watt mains power outlet as well, which will come in more useful than you think. And in the back as well, I can show you the bed area. This does come with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to, and also to then attach ratchet straps to strap down any load you have in the back as well. And if you'd like to find out more about this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, then please do feel free to head over to our website, either anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. There'll be a cost on both of them. Or you can head down to our site in Papworth, speak with our specialists about this particular vehicle or one similar as well. You never know, you might find one you like even more. But you never know, one day this may end up on your driveway. Thank you very much. Hopefully see you here soon.